Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Only by presenting up the MCQs on the chapter Skeleton and Locomotion. In this segment, I have come with the MCQs from 136 to 140. Question number 136. Fill in the blanks with the correct options. First statement. Each actin, that is thin filament, is made up of dash, that is 1, F filamentous actins helically wound to each other. Second statement, two filaments of another protein dash, that is number is 2, also run close to F actins throughout its length. Third, in the resting state, a subunit of troponin masks the active binding sites for dash 3 on dash filaments, that is 4. So you may be slightly confused with this 1, 2, 3, 4. So I would request you to kindly have a look on the screen, please. And the options given are this. It's very difficult to read this out, so I would request you again, please look on the screen. And I guess by now you might have come to the correct answer. The answer is C. That is, each actin, that is thin filament, is made up of two filamentous actins which are helically wound to each other. Two filaments of another protein, tropomyosin, also run close to the F actins throughout its length. Third statement is, in the resting state, a subunit of troponin masks the active binding sites for myosin on actin filaments. Hope this is clear to you. Question number 137. Match the following columns and select the correct option from the codes given below. Column 1 has A as pair of muscles act in opposition to each other. Column 1B is pair of muscles that act together. Column 1C is muscles that act more powerfully during any given movement. Column 2 has first as synergist, second is antagonist, and third is prime movers. The options given are, in the option A, it says A is 1, B is 2, and C is 3. Option B says A is 3, B is 1, and C is 2. Option C says A is 2, B is 1, and C is 3. Option D says A is 2, B is 3, and C is 1. And the correct answer for this question is C. That is, A is 2. That is, pair of muscles that act in opposition to each other are called as antagonistic muscles. Pair of muscles that act together are synergistic muscles. Muscles that act more powerfully during any given movement are the prime movers. Question number 138. Hardness of the bones is due to dash. And the options are A. Hard matrix made up of calcium salts. B. Soft matrix made up of sodium salts. C. Hard matrix made up of sodium salts. D. Soft matrix made up of chondroitin salts. And the correct answer for this question is A. So hardness of the bones is due to hard matrix made up of calcium salts. Question number 139. Neural canal is dash, and your options are A. Solid portion of the vertebrae through which the spinal cord passes. B. Hollow portion of the vertebrae through which the spinal cord passes. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. And the correct answer for this question is B. So, neural canal is the hollow portion of the vertebrae through which the spinal cord passes. Question number 140. Ribs that are attached to the thoracic vertebrae and ventrally connected to the sternum with the help of hyaline cartilage are called as dash. And your options are A. True ribs, B. False ribs, C. Floating ribs, D. Rib cage. And the correct answer for this question is A. True ribs. So the ribs that are attached to the thoracic vertebrae and ventrally connected to the sternum are called as true ribs, also at times called as the vertebrosternal ribs. That is the first 7 pairs of ribs. You might be recollecting this. Friends, hope you like this series. Please subscribe if you haven't. Keep sharing it with your friends and keep studying with me. Thank you so much.